welcome to our channel. In this video we will address a very frequently asked question: why is your gauge leaking? There could be a couple of reasons cause this problem. If you look at the gauge, there's a glycerin inside. Basically, glycerin is preventing the vibration of the needle. And this gauge, this glycerin may be leaking from the bottom. And there's an o-ring at the bottom that you see right here, the black o-ring. It's misplaced or popped out from one side. Using a thin object, push it in. If it's out, and make sure it's in a good place. And using a Loctite or some type of seal, I recommend applying it around the o-ring, on the o-ring like that, from each side all the way, and let it sit for an hour. That way it will seal around the o-ring. It will prevent the leaking. Another reason could be is if you remove this cover, protective cover, you will see a cap on the top. Maybe this cap is popped out, so make sure the cap is all the way in. And also, if you lost some glycerin, you can remove this cap and add some more glycerin from the hole. Just leave some, don't fill it all the way, leave just a little bit, and then make sure that you insert the cap all the way correctly, which will prevent leaking it again. And you can easily put this cover back on. That's it. This couple of steps should prevent this problem.